Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite here again. Today we're going to learn how to prepare Nigerian shawarma. I'll be using chicken breast, hot dog, lemon, wraps, carrot, cabbage, mayonnaise, ketchup, and sweet chili. First, wash the chicken breast, add in some seasoning cubes, salt to taste, curry, and some onion powder. Mix together and set aside. Pour in some oil into a pan and add the chicken breast. Leave to fry for a few minutes. Next, chop the chicken breasts. And fry again until golden brown. This actually makes it very crunchy. Next, wash your cabbage and slice. Wash your carrots and grate. Pour in mayonnaise in a plate. Next, add in ketchup, sweet chili, squeeze in some lemon juice and mix together. The next step is to fry the hot dog. I'll be using the following items to prepare the shawarma: the fried hot dog, the fried chicken, my sliced cabbage and carrots, and the mixture. In the bowl, pour in the sliced cabbage and carrots. Next, add in the chopped chicken and the mixture. Mix together. Next, clean your work surface. And spread in the mixture on the wrap. Add in the mixed vegetables and the hot dog. Roll the wrap. And then fry on medium heat. And that's the shawarma ready to eat. Can you see how juicy this looks? This really tastes good. Enjoy this with a cup of tea, just like I did. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and turn on the notification bell. God bless you and have a beautiful day. Bye.